Hello and welcome back, beautiful people, into another video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can install your antivirus for free. So you can also use default antivirus in your PC. It's called Windows Security. From here you can enable this to protect your computer from virus and threat. Now I'm going to show you how you can download antivirus for your PC. Open your browser and here search Avast Antivirus. Open this first website and download free software. Open this software. Now I'm going to close this website. It may take some time to download and install Avast Antivirus. I will suggest you to use paid antivirus software. You can get more benefit from paid software. Now click on install. You can also customize your installation. You can also enable this or disable this. Make Avast Security browser my default browser. I'm going to deselect this. If you want to customize this, you can customize this. File shield, behavior shield, all this is going to be installed. I'm going to click on install, and you can also change your file location from here. So I'm going to click on install. It's installing our Avast free antivirus. It may take some time to install this. Now installation process is complete. Now click on continue, and you can also upgrade this $1.89 in every month. So I'm going to continue with free and run our first scan. It's also scanning our network. You can also see view scan result. You only have basic firewall. You can know that and you can fix this. So this computer is protected. Avast installation is free. So guys, in this way you can download and install your Avast antivirus software and you can scan your computer with this. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. Please subscribe this channel for more videos.